Did you notice that the current sentiment score for machine learning sits at plus 0.35, while momentum has taken a notable dip at minus 0.50? This divergence from our historical baseline suggests a potential shift in sentiment that could impact your projects. With two distinct semantic clusters emerging, you might want to dig deeper into what's driving this sentiment. Our API returns a rich payload that includes sentiment scores, momentum data, and semantic clusters, allowing you to fine-tune your understanding of complex topics. Imagine leveraging this data to optimize your AI model training, adjusting parameters in real time based on sentiment shifts. If you want to explore this further, head over to pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Your next breakthrough could be just a sentiment score away.